Hi everyone, I'm Volkan Etilmezer. In this video we will look at the new feature that Xeon Crane 2S has acquired with the new update to Xeon Crane 2S. By the way, don't forget to subscribe to my channel to support me. Let's get started. You can update your gimbal with your smartphone or computer. The first feature is in Vortex mode. Normally we had to use the joystick to rotate the camera in Vortex mode. However, with the new update we can automatically rotate the camera. When you enter the menu, you will see that there is a new section called Vortex. In this section, you can change the automatic vortex rotate speed. You can change the direction of the vortex to the right or left. You can change the number of turns from angle section. Let's continue by choosing 360 degrees. To start the automatic rotation process, just press the LV or Live View button twice. The return will be one turn based on the settings you have made. Let's choose 730 degrees this time from the angle section. When you press the Live View button twice, this time the camera will rotate twice. By changing the custom options in angle section, you can make a half turn or almost endless turn. Of course, there is a limit, but I couldn't come to the limit. Again, you can start the rotation movement by pressing the Live View button twice. Press the Mode button once to cancel rotation. Another innovation is time-lapse. You don't need the ZY Play app to make motion time-lapse or time-lapse anymore. Connect your camera to Crane 2S with compatible cable. Choose your camera from the menu. Switch the camera to photo mode. Make sure the camera is taking a photo when you press the shutter button on gimbal. Now enter the menu. The newly added menu options is trajectory. In the preset section, you can see and repeat two time-lapse you made before. From the mode section, you can time-lapse by selecting the photo, or you can make the gimbal just move by selecting the video. From the point section, you can make settings for moving time-lapse. Let's choose the starting point first. Move the starting point using the joystick and press the right button. Then use the joystick to reach the end point and press the right button. If you set the point incorrectly, press the clear. You can choose 5 different routes. When the route is complete, press the right button on finish. We will set the shooting times in the time section. Set the number of seconds to take picture from the interval. Set the total number of minutes of photos to be taken from the duration. You can see the number of photos to be taken in upper left. You can quickly preview the route from the preview section. If everything is okay, press the right button when you are on start and shooting will begin. You can see the progress of the shooting on the screen. If you want to cancel the shoot, press the red button twice. Finally, you can now control the new Nikon Z6 Mark II from the gimbal. And thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you in next video. Bye.